This pajama set is everything. When I opened this for my package, my jaw was on the floor. I had to try it on immediately. Also, will you accept this rose? I feel like this is sick. I pair it with some dainty little heels and maybe a blazer. Okay, hear me out. This with like a cool chill jacket. Let's see. Like this for Valentine's Day. Unstoppable. It's so good. You know when you see something online, you're like, I hope it looks that good in person? It does. I feel like this with a blazer. Oh, yeah. My birthday's also coming up, so I feel like this would be a really cute birthday outfit. But what do we think? What's your fave?